Seneta wa KUURUA Tabitha Mutinda no rite thirikari gutungatira boega na bara bagwataga grade ya ikirikiro gya KCSE akiaria kaitaga kuruguria mubango jo kugwata mbaruana bara bari na grade ji kuthomera mantu ja kuba umenyo kana skills kiri mantu jangu icha kimitandao. Mutinda ugite ana babomba gutethwo na njira taiji na kinya kubokiria uturone bwa ugite gutejaniria na ba ni kubathiria moyo jwao uturone buntu butibatere.
In my observation as a leader and as a champion of matters education, you've seen even the statement that I've put on the floor as far as education is concerned. You find that I realized that the students who have not really scored so well in this country are never recognized. Only the best scoring students. And as a parent, I say you never give birth with any grade that we accord our children. It is in the journey then we end up having results that the Kenyan curriculum grades from grade A to the last grade of grade E, but we've not really been having that recognition. I'm happy to have met the E Graders Association leadership, the chairman, whom he gave me the journey, and I thought in my wisdom, since I am the ambassador of ICDL through the courtesy of ICDL, the general manager from the top office, then I felt it was wise and prudent to be able to support this young generation who scored E. And I realized that it is not the end of the world even if you score an E. There is no destination that says that since you scored an E, then your doors are locked. It's a grade. And what it needs is that we need to motivate this young generation, because if we let them be, then who is there to uplift them? And that's what we've decided to walk this journey with them, by offering them the great scholarships. And it's not going to end there. We are going to support them with the computers when they graduate and finish, so that they can be able to start innovatively shaping their world for the future. I want this to set an example for the younger ones. No, and I strongly say no, because you look at the praise that comes for the students who have passed, it's overwhelming. I'm not complaining. It is okay. It is good to appreciate. It's okay. But the question is, what about the others? Because I've said the curriculum grades from grade A to grade E. Then if we do not want grade E, let us remove grade E and say then we are grading up to grade D. Why do we have it in the Kenyan curriculum system if we cannot recognize them? They are our children. And I've said, as a mother, as a parent, you do not give birth and then you stamp a grade and say, this is what you're going to get. So I feel there's no much recognition of these students. There is no much speciality on what are they supposed to do. I know we have technical institutions and all that, but in terms of recognition, in terms of encouraging them, look at the cases of mental health issues that we're having today. Look at the suicidal cases that our children have undergone because of that demoralization and all that. It should not end there. And I want to stand and let this day be a day of motivating the young generation who are feeling discouraged education-wise, that it is not the end. You can still shape your journey. There are out here people who recognize that, because it is better you who have scored something and you have a certificate, rather than someone who decided they don't even want to step in any classrooms.
Education sector is very good in Kenya, but there is something that we are calling disrupting the normal. I think COVID happened and everybody knew there was a problem. If we don't disrupt the normal, whatever we call the normal education, we are not headed the right direction. And we can only disrupt by considering the power of technology. I think that is something that we need to be pushing forward, that technology is here with us. If we do not disrupt that and make sure that we incorporate technology in our education system, we are not heading the right direction. I think somebody mentioned that we should start considering digital skills as a fourth or a third language in our education system. Do English, Swahili, and have